Here in the deep south, rocks and mountains, they are more or less illegal, and where I live you're roughly 1,000 miles away from a good mountain. So what we do have enough of is mud. So an enlarged side stand is one of those accessories that you really need. The OEM side stand has a footprint of 4.2 square inches. The additional footprint of the SRC Moto side stand foot is 4.6 inches. That gives you a total area of 8.8 square inches, more than double what the OEM side stand has. The top plate here didn't fit the way it was, I guess they intended it to fit, so I had to use a hacksaw and some files in order to make it fit. So the pieces that are marked in black on the top plate, that's what I had to cut off. More or less every accessory I've installed on the motorcycle I had to modify. Some of it is because it's just poorly engineered, other ones because I mixed and matched stuff that wasn't really meant to be mixed and matched. It is a very well made kit where the top and the bottom plates are made out of stainless steel and the middle plate is made of aluminum in order to save weight. The bolts and the nuts are stainless steel. I chose this kit because the bolts, they go all the way through all the three plates, and it's way stronger but not as clean looking as a kit where the bolts are just threaded into the bottom plate. So after spending some quality time with the hacksaw and some different files, 2 round files, triangle files and a flat file, I made the little plate fit. Remember, when you're using a hacksaw you should always have 3 teeth engaged in the material, and the teeth should be pointing forward on the hacksaw. And also do slow deliberate strokes, about 1 stroke per second. Then you have control of what you're doing. The nuts included are the large flange serrated lock nuts, but in addition I popped on a little bit of blue thread locker. It's better to be safe than sorry. You need a 4mm Allen wrench and a 10mm socket or open and box end wrench in order to tighten all the bolts. The enlarged side stand makes a little bit of interference with the original OEM center stand, but minimizing the risk of the bike falling over, that's worth a little interference. I do notice that there's a little bit more strain on the 2 springs holding up the OEM side stand, so that'll be my next project, is to replace the spring with a little bit more heavy duty one. I like the little enlarged foot. My only gripes is that I wish the little piece of kit would fit without me having to modify another part, and I wish the part was made here in the States, since the company is located here in the States. Even when living in Europe, I always had a weakness for stuff that's actually made in the United States. Thanks for watching. Have a good safe ride. Please subscribe. More videos to follow.